Welcome back, everybody. Today we're in the Golden Tulip Haeundae Hotel and Suites in Busan, South Korea. And this is an extended stay hotel, so there are quite a few features to go over, and we'll walk you through the whole room as usual. When you first enter the room, on your right is a small cupboard closet. There's an extra laundry bag up there if you need it, and I put my shoes down there on the angled shelf, otherwise empty closet. Also, you'll find the electricity card slot and your switch for the master light switch in the room, as well as your do not disturb and housekeeping button. You have a electric range here for cooking, of course the vent, and your washer dryer. It's an LG unit, and to the right of that is your sink with an empty cupboard below it. Next to that, the bottom cabinet has your refrigerator. The room came with 2 bottles of water, and I added a bottle of Powerade there because I was thirsty earlier. It does have a freezer section, and it's a fairly good size for a hotel refrigerator. In the drawer above, you have your ice bucket, electric kettle, 2 mugs. Above that is a microwave. And then above the microwave are just some more empty cupboards. Those ones at the top are also completely empty. Unfortunately, they don't give you anything to cook with. No utensils, no pots and pans. I'm not sure if you can ask for those, but in the room there are none. The bathroom, you have a rain head for the shower, and then you also have large dispensers for the hair and body wash, and then the conditioner. Next to the sink is the liquid hand soap, and then 2 glasses, the mirror. You get 2 washcloths, you get 2 towels. 1 towel is here, the other one is out in the room. One of the robes is here. Toilet with multiple functions, bidet, heated toilet seat, etc. Coming out the room, you can see the other towel, the other robe, and then my jacket and hoodie there. The blue bag has your in-room slippers, and then your bath mat and luggage rack here. Probably the coolest thing about the room is this LG Trom styler. It does a bunch of different functions. You can turn it on like this. And then you can see some of the different functions here. It's all in Korean, but long and short of it is it can do some drying, it can do like disinfecting, it can do, actually there's a foldable part for ironing, so you can stick your pants in there and get them ironed. It does do like heated drying. You can even do dehumidification. There's a port for like different scents you can add. And yeah, it's a pretty amazing appliance. I don't really see these anywhere else. I know they're sold in Korea a ton, but as for other markets, I'm not sure where else they're popular. Again, this LG brand, it's the LG Trom styler. Coming into the bedroom area, this is a twin room, so there's 2 twin beds. Between the beds is the nightstand with a phone, pencil, and then in this drawer, a laundry bag and your laundry checklist. Next to this bed, there are some light switches, and then this is to deter mosquitoes. But you can see here, master light switch, and then all the different light switches with an outlet. The climate control. You can set the temperature, and then the mode is actually for the fan speed, and your 2 light switches here. TV is actually a Samsung TV. It's not LG like the appliances, with a shelf underneath. You get a rack where you can hang your clothes. We are very near the beach, so maybe you have a lot of clothes you need to be drying or otherwise hanging. You get a bench seat here that looks out on the city. This is a city view room. And then a trash can underneath the work desk, your tissues, your Nespresso machine with 2 capsules, mirror, desk lamp, and then various USB ports and your multi-plug there. The plug that the outlet the lamp is plugged into is a regular Korean outlet. Overall, it's a fairly new property, it seems. It's quite nice and clean. And I'll be here for a couple nights, and then I'm traveling again, so you'll get another hotel room tour very soon. If you have any questions about this hotel room or any other hotel room I've stayed in, please leave a comment and subscribe for more content. I hope everyone is having a great day, and we'll see you really soon. Thanks.